Yo, what is up guys? So as you know from the previous video, my sister just got her new car. It's a 2009 Toyota Corolla. That's what it's called here in Australia. Apparently most other places it's a Toyota Auris. And she's already getting straight to business with her first mod. We're going to be installing a Apple CarPlay Android Auto head unit into it. So let's get started. Alright guys, how excited are we?
Very excited, bit cold, but still excited.
Yes, today we're going to be getting rid of this ancient relic, which I actually love and I think is really cool. Show us some of the features.
What was it again? What was it?
That's cool. So
feature number one.
got a little slot for the CDs, and then it's got a detachable sat-nav system. Yeah, boy. Tom. Alright, what do we do first, Ark?
First thing we do we have to turn off the car?
Yes. We should probably be disconnecting the battery for proper safety reasons, but you know.
Like chuck the fork end in, and then like
Get as close to it and unclip.
yeah.
Hey, well done.
Oh, the clips are pink. They knew.
Cute.
That's awesome. Alright,
Cute.
same for the other side.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Well done.
At the back here is this tiny ass clip.
Right.
Nice.
So now that's popped out, we can get
I
that
can
out the way.
put that. Okay, so we've got one bolt out on that side and the same one on the other, and there's one just above it.
Yeah.
That's that top bolt that you need an extension to get to. Alright, let's go.
How to use it.
I mean, we're not gonna make fun of people learning here on the channel, but that's actually for the other screwdriver that I brought. Yeah.
Why'd you give me that screwdriver?
Did you see how the green one doesn't have that socket on the end?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just no. So you pull the socket off.
This one.
Yeah, nice. And now you put the extension on.
Like that.
No, other way.
Other way.
Yeah, nice. And then you put the socket on.
You want
No,
it?
you put the socket on
Oh.
because that's what you use to. That middle bit's just an
there
extension.
you go.
There we go. Hold on.
Are we
there
pulling
anything
this
else?
off? Or
Yep.
like,
Nice.
Should be nice and loose now.
The Barbie.
Barbie.
Oh, look at that.
Holy moly.
Well
Barbie.
done, Ark.
That-
That was all you. We've just got back from Super Cheap.
Yes,
And
we have.
what a haul. Do you want to take us through what you got?
All right. Well, first thing I got was a membership because you know. it's
Important.
pretty
Nice.
We got a headlight restorer because there is a bit of yellowing on my headlights. I can, you know, fix that up, make it look brand new.
Nice.
Got some lovely car scents. We got the harnesses, and the most important thing, we got the head unit.
That is a big papa.
Yeah.
That's a Sony XAV AX5500. We're back in the beast. The two AirPro plugs have been installed, so now we just have to hook it up to the head unit, see if everything works, and if it fires up, then we can actually get the spacer kit off the current head unit and then screw it into our new one, and we're good to go. Huh? Damn it, I just missed that on camera. That would have been such...
Let's go that way.
Yeah. Give it a wiggle. Oh shit, what was that?
God.
What the fuck was that?
Holy shit, is your ignition on or something?
The key's in, but it's not on.
Okay, pull it out.
What the fuck was that?
Hope that it was just the fuse that blew. As you guys saw, that did not go to plan at all. What ended up happening was we were given the incorrect Aero Pro harness from where we bought the head unit from, and as you saw, we ended up frying a $650 head unit. But we got a full refund, so that's all good. How are we feeling, Ark?
We are feeling better than yesterday.
Ark got this car and promises were made by her brother that the head unit would be an extremely easy
Pretty
swap.
much. The only thing I was looking for in a car was a decent head unit, needed CarPlay and Bluetooth. that was like the top of my list. We'll hopefully fix it.
Yeah,
but
we'll see what today brings. But
Yeah.
how does it feel being introduced to the world of modifying your car?
that was not a very nice introduction, I'm not gonna lie.
No. Alright, so we've looked and we're getting the correct power from constant, accessory and dimmer. And we're going to plug that in and into this fusion head unit, and if it blows up, something's really wrong. Nice. Alright. Moment of truth. Let's see. Okay, nothing's blown up. Adam, twist the key. Okay, we got power going to. Oh, look at that!
Shit.
This is progress. So this means that we can correctly get power running to the head unit, and there's nothing wrong there. This thing hasn't blown up. Okay, moment of truth. I'm just gonna put the key in, but we didn't have an explosion yet. Wait. Okay, wait.
Hey!
Let's
Look at
go!
that. Yeah.
Yes! Oh my god.
That's so great.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, damn. That's probably because
Alright.
the touch screen's covered
Yeah.
by the. But yeah, wow, very cool.
Finally, yeah.
Oh yeah. Crisp. Wowee, look at that. Everything's back. We went through hell to get that in
Oh my god, yes.
and working, and we didn't have to, but we did. We realized that at the end. But yeah, how are you feeling up? First mod done.
So good. Look at this screen, it's so nice. It's a bit delayed on the home screen, but then when you go to this screen is really good.
Oh yeah. This is Ark's first mod. What do you think? Working on your car?
It was cool. We went through a lot more stress than needed, I think.
As per usual though. Welcome to
Yeah.
the world of working on your car.
Oh, well, that was such a simple fix. It was ridiculous. We could have got that done like yesterday.
Yeah.
We could have. It was a 15-minute job.
What we did just then was what was supposed to happen the first time. It was an easy, like,
Yeah.
you know, plug and go.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I'm so happy it's working now.
that's
Exactly
it.
what I wanted.
And working on your car, how did it feel?
It's pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
I
You
was-
learned how to use some tools.
Yeah, I learned more about, the fuses and everything inside.
Taking trim
bolts.
trim out bolts. Yeah. Which way to use a socket? I'm pretty sure I've got footage of you using like the handle to try and
Awkward.
so good. No, that's awesome though, because now you know. So it set the groundwork for when you do all your subwoofer, EL lighting,
Yeah.
lowering wheels, exhaust. Ark's gonna do her first mani in the Corolla.
Mani?
Yeah, mani. You know what a mani is, right?
No?
We're gonna put the Corolla to the test and see how many heads we snap while doing a mani. Alright, you ready to count, Adam?
Yeah.
What?
This
Oh,
antisocial machine it's got Apple CarPlay. No one look.
quiet.
She's quiet.
now.
Alright, this fella's looking.
Oh, looking.
Oh, 2 heads snap. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the video as much as Ark enjoyed modifying her car for the first time. But we will definitely be back working on the Corolla again because Ark's just beginning her journey, and that's all. And I would also special mention to Adam
Yo.
for all the help. Yeah, he's just a random dude and definitely not in a relationship with my sister or anything. Just helped out of the kindness of his heart.
Our local mechanic.
Yeah, just 2 days of his time he dedicated towards a 15-minute job, so props to him. But yeah, thanks guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.